Ready, set, go. Time. Now, you may be wondering, Scott, why did you just time yourself doing an unboxing? Well, supposedly the Anymaka portable hammock that's inside this bag sets up in just 3 seconds, which would be faster than it took me to cut open the box, pull out the bag, and set it on the table. So let's see if that's actually true. All right, ready, set, go. That's pretty dang quick. What is going on, guys? Scott here from Horizon Bound. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm hot. It's about 85 degrees out, and 85 here in Georgia is completely different than 85 on the West Coast. I'm used to a nice breeze coming in from the ocean, you know, nice beach weather kind of thing. 85 here in Georgia, I'm feeling it. So that's why I got the awning set up so I can do this review in some shade and stay as cool as possible. But anyways, that was the setup of the Anymaka portable hammock. Couple seconds, 3 seconds or so. I honestly think it took longer to cut open the box and remove the bag than it did actually unfolding this thing and getting it into its settings. So far, pretty impressed with this thing. Before I do get into, too much into this video, I do want to say that Anymaka did send this to me to review. I did not buy it. And just like all of my other review videos that I have on my channel, I'm going to be giving you an honest review of the product. And so far, after setting it up, I'm pretty impressed. This is a nice solid build, and I have a feeling I'm going to be using this on all of my adventures. So let's go ahead and see what else comes with this package. All right, now depending on what package you purchase from Anymaka will determine what comes in your carrying bag. I believe there's about 3 different packages currently. You can get the basic package, which comes with the bag and the quick 3-second setup hammock stand. You can get the middle package, which comes with the bag, the stand, as well as a 2-person hammock. Or you can get the complete package, which comes with the bag, the stand, the 2-person hammock, as well as the canopy kit and a cup holder accessory. So I want to put all of this together. I'm going to go ahead and hold off on putting the canopy kit together. This is awesome, but I'm more interested in seeing how long it takes to set up the hammock and the hammock stand. If you've ever done any backpacking, car camping, whatever, if you worked with a hammock in general, you know that it can kind of be a little time consuming getting the straps wrapped around the tree trunks, getting the hammock situated perfectly between the 2 different straps. You don't want the tension too loose or too tight. So I'm really curious to see how long it takes to put this together, as well as strapping the 2-person hammock to it. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. So let's see how long it takes to put it all together. It's pretty quick. All right, so setting this up and putting on the hammock. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. pretty quick. Not bad. Not bad. So that is the chair mode. I got it on the highest setting here. But yeah. Whew. I'm gonna take a pause from my my video and relax for a little bit. Now I'm all about the quick and simple, and this is quick and simple. That was extremely fast, and it's really comfortable. This is a nice little setup to kind of hang around the fire, enjoy the views, whatever. This currently is in chair mode, but if you wanted to switch it into the, you know, the hammock mode, you would just pull this pin and come out a notch, and then you got to adjust, you know, this up a little bit. And this is where it's going to take a little finessing. It's all going to be on your personal preference, but slide this up a couple pins, pull this out, latch it into place, and now you have your hammock. So I'm going to go a little bit tighter and probably one more pin right there, and that should be good. Oh yeah, not bad at all. Yeah, no, that's really nice. I like this. If you're a car camper, you're gonna definitely want to pick one of these guys up. You know, we've all built ground tents and know how much of a hassle it can be when you're just dealing with the different poles and, you know, trying to find a nice level ground. You know, quick 3-second setup with the hammock stand, and even quicker attaching the, you know, the carabiners to the hooks and setting up your hammock in between, and you're done. No dealing with blowing up air mattresses or air pads. Just throw your sleeping bag and your pillow and you're good to go. I'm really impressed with this thing. This is nice and comfortable. It's 2-person. It's able to hold up to 550 pounds. So, you know, whether it's in chair mode or the lounge mode, you can fit 2 people in here. You know, depending on your size, maybe even 2 people and a kid or a dog. I'll have to see how that goes with my wife and my dog. But oh man, this is really comfortable, guys. This is really comfortable. So let's go ahead and talk about the specs on this setup. Ugh. The stand is made of an aircraft grade aluminum alloy. It's coated in a rust-proof finish and weighs about 23 pounds. Like I said earlier, it's strong enough to hold 550 pounds, so it can easily hold 2 people if you're using a dual hammock. I showed you the 2 different modes, the chair mode and the lounge mode, and to switch between the 2 modes, you just adjust the sliders here and it will lock into place. You can also adjust the tension setting of the hammock by adjusting the sliders up and down the rail to fit your needs. Just pull the pin and click into any of the 8 holes. Not only does the hammock have a little pocket built in to store some small items, but you also get the cup holder mount that has a spot to place your phone, keys, and a nice beverage on a hot day. All right guys, so it got pretty hot today. I think it got up into like the mid 90s, and I was dying. I mean, even with the awning, I was just sweating, and that's not attractive for you guys. So took a little break, the weather's cooled down, the sun is setting, so let's go ahead and finish up this video, and I'm gonna show you guys how to build the canopy. All right, so let's go ahead and take our canopy kit and put all this together. So inside we have our poles and our canopy. And then we also have 3 bolts with some little, you know, plastic handles to attach the canopy to the hammock. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to lay out our canopy. And taking our poles, let's go ahead and connect them all together. So we have the shorter end that will go across, and then we have the longer end So first, let's buckle our plastic tabs together, like so. And like so. We're going to take our red, and the pole will slide into the pocket there, like so. And again for the other side. Like so. Now we will take our canopy, bring it over here, and with the 2 bolts, you'll go ahead and take one of these and screw it into one side, like so. That in there, and then the next one doing the same thing. All right, so your canopy is on. Now it's just positioning it where you want. So go ahead and pull it up. And pull it up. Like so. Now they say to prevent it from rotating, you take the little straps that you have right here and you're going to feed it through the other side and in through the loop, pull it tight. There you go. So one is there, and then the other is there, like that. And you do the same for the other side, grabbing the loop. You're gonna bring it through here, through the loop, and tighten it down. So that's your canopy. All right. I guess it's not bad. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's a little interesting. I got mixed feelings about it. There's a lot of plastic parts going on and getting kind of snapped to and everything. I'm afraid that if there's just a nice gust of wind, it might take this back and snap some plastic, or I guess that's what this part's for, is to kind of prevent it from rotating. And you do have these little eyelets right here, so it doesn't come with any guy line or stakes, but technically you can stake it down. Yeah. Alrighty guys, so there you go. That is the Anymaka quick 3-second setup hammock stand with the hammock, the canopy kit, along with the cup holder, phone holder, key holder, accessory mount. What do you guys think of this thing? Let me know in the comments below. I'm definitely digging the 3-second setup hammock stand along with the hammock. I think that's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna definitely be keeping that in the bed of my truck just to take along with wherever I go, whether it's to the beach, camping, hanging out with friends, tailgating, wherever. It's nice and small, has its own bag. You just keep that in the trunk of your car, bed of your truck, and you are good to go. I got mixed feelings, like I said, about the Canopy. I don't know, maybe a couple times, you know, using it, I'll change my mind. But you know, it does provide some nice shade, so it's not bad. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do me a huge favor, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, unboxings, product reviews, installs, adventure videos, anything outdoor related, hit the subscribe button and click that bell icon if you want to be notified when I drop another video. That wraps it up, guys. I hope you guys have a terrific day. I'll see you on the horizon.